In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your AT&T router blinking red. So to understand the problem, basically an AT&T router blinking red means that it has lost its internet connection, often due to loose cables, a service outage, or a temporary glitch. So the first thing that we want to try is to power cycle. You want to unplug the power cord from the modem or router for around 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for a couple of minutes, maybe 10 minutes for it to reconnect. We also want to check our cables, ensure that all the Ethernet, power, and fiber, if applicable, cables are securely and connected and undamaged. From there, we want to use the My AT&T application to check for outages or run network diagnostics through the application. Next, we want to reset the ONT or fiber. If you have a separate ONT box, you want to try unplugging it for around 5 minutes. And lastly, if your problem persists, you want to factory reset your connection. You want to press and hold the small red reset button on the back for about 10 to 15 seconds to restore the default settings. Now, as a note, you'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi details. Basically, all you have to do for this problem to be fixed is to check whether you have an internet outage on your area. If you have, you just have to wait for a couple of days, minutes, or even a couple of hours to basically let the technician fix this problem on its own. But if you're the only one having or experiencing this problem on your home or on your router, you want to try the quick fixes that I've mentioned, and if nothing works, of course you want to proceed by calling the AT&T customer support or technical support. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.